This tutorial is for those who want to use the Portuguese verb study aid created in Google Sheets. You will find a link to the sheet in the description below this video. The original file has two verb study tabs, each with predefined verbs. One contains several common irregular verbs. The other has regular verbs with the three most common endings, AR, ER, and IR. Suppose you want just a narrow subset of the verbs on these two original sheets, or some other verbs that are available. To do this, a tab is needed to select which verbs you want. If the tab has already been created, fine. If not, it can be created or recreated at any time. To do so, go to Macro under Tools, Macros, and select Criar Página para a seleção dos verbos. Create a page for the selection of verbs. This should take around a minute. Note, you must have first granted access to the macros. Once done, you will then see drop-downs with the available verbs in this new page. Go to the top left cell, A1, and select the verb you first want. Continue with a verb in cell A2, and so on. You can have a minimum of one verb or fill out all of the available drop-downs. When satisfied with the verbs and their order, go to the Tools macro and select Criar Novo Teste, create a new test. This will create a new tab at the bottom. Rename this tab if you wish. Click on the drop-down of the tab and select Rename.